at judging leads.
So I'll answer that in just a second. But one thing that I think is worth noting, and we're kind of putting it on display here, is that the nuances matter. And that's one thing that AI doesn't always get. The difference between a 50% response rate and a 4% response rate or interest rate rather is massively different depending on the target market you're going after, the service you're providing, etc. If you're doing, let's say, software development, like it seems everyone and their brother does these days, there's a billion agencies out there.
Yeah.
4% interest rate is just mind blowing. If you have a very tight knit group and you're taking a more relationship driven approach, that's very different. I think one of the failures of AI today, and it will change as AI gets more data and learns, of course, I get how AI works, but it doesn't take into account nuances. I've never used Copy Factory, so anything that I'm about to say negates anything about Copy Factory. I'll throw that out there. But for example, there's a lot of copy tools that I have tried where they say they do some personalization based on, let's say, their persona, the LinkedIn, etc. And then you realize when you take the same service and you try using it across multiple personas, it gives you the same damn message, almost identical.
Yeah.
The nuances matter, company size matters, etc. As for nurturing, I think lead scoring and all that stuff is great. I'm not going to dispute that. Again, it depends on the size of your company, what you're offering, etc. But I think one of the biggest things, taking AI out just for a second, is sales and marketing work very siloed. Marketing is top of the funnel. Great. We got a crap ton of leads. I'm American, so I'm blunt. We have a crap ton of leads at the bottom of the funnel. We need sales, and everything else is just kind of a blur. If you have a sales funnel that isn't also incorporating lead nurturing through ads, through content, etc., all at the same time, you're leaving a lot of money on the table.
So I mean,